Now that we've gone over how to do a Bible citation search within the ATLA index, there are two important points to note that have to do with how the index orders the biblical books. So first, if you want to do a search for a biblical book that has a numeral at the beginning, like 1st and 2nd Kings or 1st and 2nd Corinthians, you need to know that the index orders its books alphabetically rather than by numeral. So what you'll have to do is type in Corinthians, comma, 1st to pull up 1st Corinthians. And then for a particular chapter in the book, you can do space 3. And then if you hit enter, you're going to get a list of what you need there from Corinthians, 1 Corinthians chapter 3 and related passages. The second thing to note is that the index doesn't pick up on the punctuation within the passages of chapter and verse. So if we search for Genesis 4, what's going to come up is Genesis 4 to begin, but then we jump right to Genesis 40, and the results will go on the following pages from there, because it's picking up the 40 that comes after the Genesis 4 here. So if there's a specific passage within Genesis 4 that I want, I should type in that specific citation. So I'll type in Genesis 4:1 and hit enter again. And you'll see that then it'll bring us right to Genesis 4:1, and we get a number of possibilities for other related passages. But because we've added the 4:1, we don't jump straight to Genesis 40 from there. So as you're searching, make sure you're specific with passages, and make sure that when you have a book of the Bible beginning with a numeral, you write the book of the Bible, comma, and then the relevant numeral.